When my clients come to me after being involved in a serious motor vehicle accident in Long Island or New York City, there are certain elements of paperwork that they will have to fill out for my office and for the insurance companies, and for the state of New York actually. The first and most important document that you will have to fill out is the application for no-fault insurance benefits. This is something that typically your own insurance company will mail to you once they receive notice of the claim, or my office can provide you with a standard New York State form. This is a form that's necessary to get your medical and wage benefits up and running and payable to you or to your doctors. Another form that's legally necessary is that if you're involved in a car accident where there's more than $1,000 worth of damage to a vehicle, and that's not a very high threshold, or if you have injuries that require medical care, you have to fill out something called an MV-104 form, which looks like a police accident report. So it lists the information for all the vehicles involved, it lists the people involved, any potential injuries, and that's a form that must be filed with the New York State Department of Motor Vehicles. And if you fail to do that, your license can actually be suspended if the DMV receives notice of the accident from another party. Other forms that are required are sometimes your own insurance company will ask you to fill out an accident description form. And that's a form you should never do without the assistance of your attorney, because that's a form they will use to document your file in case a claim is filed against you by another party in the accident. So you want to make sure it's worded properly, protect your interest about how the accident happened and the injuries sustained. And then of course, when you meet with an attorney, every attorney's office will have forms. The first will be the retainer agreement, which is the legal agreement establishing you're hiring a lawyer to prosecute your claim for personal injuries and laying out the basis of the fee. There will be HIPAA medical forms, which are authorizations. They allow us to get copies of your medical records and your hospital records. There will be something called a limited power of attorney, which allows your attorney to sign your HIPAA medical authorizations in case you're not available. Those are the basic forms that you will have to fill out initially after an accident occurs. And then of course, during the course of your relationship with your attorney office, there might be additional forms that he or she will ask you to fill out.